right now. Number 4 is MOWEO 3D Ender 5S1 3D printer. The MOWEO 3D Ender 5S1 3D printer is one of the most remarkable 3D printers for under $2,000. With its sleek and sturdy all-metal cube frame, this printer brings stability to a new level. It's like having a rock-solid fortress for your creations. The thick linear shafts, extra gussets, and 2 cantilevers ensure a printing experience that's as smooth as silk, even when you're pushing the limits at a blazing 250 millimeters per second. Talk about speed and precision! But that's not all. The MOWEO 3D Ender 5S1 has a dual-gear direct extruder, delivering an impressive 80 N extrusion force. It can handle a wide range of filaments, from the flexible TPU to the sturdy ABS, without getting clogged. With its titanium heartbreak and corrugated heatsink, heat creep is a thing of the past, ensuring consistent and reliable printing. One of its superpowers is the Urus air ducts. They channel a powerful gust of wind from the large S015 fan directly onto the freshly printed section, cooling it down rapidly. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.